Hello there, I am Ashish. Today I'm gonna show you my robotic simulation that is programmed in Python. We have a Allegro hand with 4 fingers that is mounted on a robotic arm that is light 6. We have programmed it for detecting real hand in the live video that is capturing from the webcam and mimic its behavior as well so that we can control our robot remotely from the camera. Let's see how does it work. And we have a message box that I have shown in the previous video that our robot is also able to generate haptic data and generate and show a message accordingly. So I'm bringing my hand in front of camera. Let's see how does it react. You can see it is detecting my hand and it's also showing that my hand is a right hand. And see, I'm bringing closer to the camera, so it is also coming closer. And if I am going back, it is also going back. I'm going right, it also goes right. If left, it also goes left. And see, you can see. Let's do one, two, three, thumb, all five. Fist, victory. So you can see even in darker it reacts properly. It goes in all the way. Even faster we can do. And one more thing, even it is detecting our pinky finger, this finger, but it can't show it, it can't replicate it. It is obvious because it is having only four fingers and we have 5 fingers. So it will be detecting, but it can't replicate it. So this was the project. And if you want code and tutorial for this, please comment below. And thanks for watching.